torque transmissions, energy-efficient air conditioning, and anti-lock nest brakes. So when you're ready to make your next car purchase, make sure it's Behemoth. Meet legs, tentacles, and tails inside the taxi, and be sure to supervise your children. Thank you.
Atención visitantes. Para su propia seguridad.
If you are new to the area, the Monstropolis Chamber of Commerce would like to welcome you. While you're in town, be sure to...
Interrupt this program for a special report. A child is on the loose in Monstropolis. A human child!
If witnesses are to be believed, there has been a child security breach for the first time in monster history.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight.
I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with his mind power. Shook me like a dog. It's true! I saw the whole thing!
Happy birthday, Smoothly Moo!
Oh, googly bear!
Just when this human child froze me with its telepathic control. It made me dance like a chicken. My thoughts were not my own. Then it grabbed its giant arm.
Oh, Boo, we gotta get you home.
Horrible.
There's a kid here! A human kid! Sweet monster in disguise, save me!
You heard about me!
I don't understand.
Come on, this way.
We are at the scene, number one.
Think I get it dark and ready.
Spread out and lock it down.
There's nothing down here. Hi, it's the Earl McDonald's. Oh, we're over here.
Yeah, nothing exciting ever happens.
Hurry up, Sully, hurry up. I've got both doors set up on the scale.
Are you done yet, Boo?
Race you to the scare floor. They'll never find her door now.
Look, Boo, there's your door.
We're almost there, kiddo.
Not so fast, Sullivan. They'll never get her home now.
It's been the most terrifying day of my life. I love you, kiddo.
Good night. Kitty's gotta go now. Sleep tight.
It's been the most terrifying day of my life. I love you, kiddo.
Good night. Kitty's gotta go now.
We spread out and locked it down. After careful and thorough observation of the perimeter, we quickly rendered the situation status to 990. We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight. We move on to authorities and deputy operator and transportation to the scene, where we immediately secured the area in question. We spread out and locked it down. After careful and thorough observation of the perimeter, we quickly rendered the situation status to 990. We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight. We responded